Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on stroke on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for turning on the stroke, first I'm just going to upload an image over here. So I'm just going to add stroke to this image. So for turning on the stroke for this image, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here edit, click on that. And then here is an option. You can see here stroke, and here you can see that had been turned off. So by clicking it, you can turn it on, and now you can see that you had been turned on the stroke to this image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.